Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Subway Surf version 1 by Galiccheese. In their code we see when I receive blocks and when touching blocks. Try not to get hit by the incoming balls. Our next project is Project Skin the Game by 6 Appetite. In their code there are repeat blocks and forever loops. Try to get your rocket to the other side. This next project is My Pet Dog by Sunshine Stone. In their code, we see when touching blocks and switch to costume blocks. Take care of your very own virtual pet. Our final project is called Project by SJ Here. In this project, they created a website with links to Tynker using HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching and sign into Tynker.com to create your very own free projects.